Hi guys, today I'm going to open my first Christmas unboxing for 2021. First of all, we have this box from Spode.
From the lights to the mistletoe.
In this box we have 4 tumblers, but they call it old-fashioned glasses.
Is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that.
So we have 4, 2, another one here, 3. It is Spode.
Your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas
The next one is the cake slice. Looks like this. Next is the Christmas tree wine glasses. So yeah, we have 4 wine glasses. The last one is it's a Christmas tree peppermint tray. Let's open. So lovely. I'm gonna put some mince pie in this one. Next one is the Christmas tree side plates. I have 4 and this is $2.99 each. And this is a cereal bowl and this is $3.99 each. I have 4 as well. Okay, this is a baking tray and this is $19.99. Next is the divided dish. It looks like this. So this is $12.99. Next one is the spread basket. So yeah, it looks like this. So pretty. Again, there's a Christmas tree in the middle. And this is how much? This is $16.99. And 2. So I have 2. So yeah, these are all my Christmas tree collection. I guess it's complete. I have everything now. Let me put this in the side. The next bag is from TK Maxx and we have this one here. It's a true pillow. Warm winter wishes. This is the front and at the back it's striped red. So this is only $12.99. Another wine glass. I have 6 of these. 1, 2, 'Then I choose blue because of my Spode collection and they're all blue. Just like this wine glass, I also have these blue glasses. And I have 5 of this. Okay, so I have 5 tumblers and 6 wine glasses. This is actually $2.99, while the wine glass is $3.99. More of my TK Maxx purchases. First of all, this nutcracker, it's very tall. Yeah, it's a British guard. Now this is $16.99 from TK Maxx. Next is this Christmas baubles and made in India. Let me just open because I want to use it. Okay, so it looks like this. Isn't it pretty? I love it. It's gold and red in color and we have 4. Yeah, so that's that. It's gonna go in my tree. Another Christmas ornament and this is only $5.99. It's a granny holding a star. And the hair It's really cute and I love it. Another Christmas decor, and it's a mouse couple, and this is $12.99. And their boots, and that's their faces. I also have this ribbon. This is $5.99 only, and yeah, I love the tartan design. This is actually my motif for this year. Everything is in gold, red, and green. Next is this Christmas berries, and it's only $5.99. Again from TK Maxx, and this is a farmhouse cider scented candle. It's a Christmas scent. We have two pieces. Here we have 2 hand towels, and this is $9.99, and it's gonna go in the toilet. Let's see how big is this hand towels. Simple design, but I like it. Okay, so this is an advent calendar, and this is $16.99. So this is going to be for Lance, and this is where I'm going to put some chocolates for him. He likes chocolates. I choose a very traditional design with Santa Claus and of course Christmas tree with some gifts, and the red, green, and gold design. Love it. I also have this lid tea lights, and it's gonna go in my table centerpiece right here. So let me show you. Next box is a from H&M. Right, so first of all, this one, it's red in color. It's a true pillowcase, and it looks like this. Merry Christmas. I have white of this from last year, and I kept it. Then I have the green color. Like that. This is only $3.99. Now, this is another one. I think this is more expensive than this. This is $6.99, and this is the Christmas tree. I also have this too, but this is not for Christmas. Probably use this after Christmas. Beautiful, it's a lady, the face of a lady. I think this is $8.99. Yeah, this is $8.99. It's a bigger true pillowcase, like so. This is only $3.99. I like it, it's simple. I have this black cardigan, and this is $24.99. Like it. So that's it for my Christmas shopping. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like our videos. Bye!
Just a night come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
About how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way.